Kuya, how was your scouting day yesterday?
It was amazing.
Why?
So in the morning, we waited like 1 hour. I just played in my classroom with my other friends. Then after that, we were told to go outside because we had games. Laro ng lahi. The first game was a game where like there was Mountain Dew bottles, then there were chairs, then they put the Mountain Dew bottle on that chair. Then we got a straw, put it on our nose, and we had to hold it up. Then on the bottle, we had to put it in, and I was like, then we had to run around the thing. We were the winner of that game.
Wow.
The second game was the game like where there were two participants. I was the one saying yes, no, or could be, while my other teammate had like the paper on his head.
Oh, it's like Pinoy Henyo.
Yeah, Pinoy Hanyo. The word was pansit. He spammed every single word he could think of, and the only word that had yes was, is it a food? He started spamming everything. After that, we lost,
Okay, that's okay.
but it was fun overall. And then the next game, since it was raining, just a tiny bit of rain, and we had to go inside, we made a circle. Then we made it like a circle, and we were like 1, 2. But if 2 would do it at the same time, then both of them would be out.
Okay, I know that game. Okay, let's continue later, okay?
I was the
Okay.
last one.
Okay.
You were?
Yeah, but I disqualified myself because
And the
You disqualified
smoke,
yourself?
and we made fire. We were making food.
That's what you like, campfire.
I have cough because of the smoke. And if you're wondering, how can there be so much smoke if there's firewood? I went inside to get paper and I put it in there. We made green fire by putting green paper. Anyways, I need to go now. I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye bye.
Okay.